DIY natural. Store this heavenly mixture in an airtight container. Add a few scoops to your bath water. Immerse your cup of coconut oil, a quarter cup of jojoba oil, and chamomile essential